Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video where I'm going to make a redesign of a business website. Today I chose the website of a startup called MuseKIT. And MuseKIT is helping video editors to use music that better fits the videos that are being created. They are doing this by not only offering one song that will be used for your whole video, but you have the song and also different components of the song that represent different moods. MuseKIT right now has not a software solution yet, but they are working on one, and they are still at a very early stage. So they are, so to speak, in a pre-launch phase where it's already, for most startups, good to reach out to potential clients and investors and build a relationship. And how this is usually being done is by a contact form or a field where website visitors can leave their email address so that they get notified about company updates, or, for example, if they want to receive early access or being notified if their product is being launched and so on. So I try to create a new design where I make it more inviting for website visitors to sign up to MuseKIT's email list, and also find a way to communicate effectively what their product is about. This has been the current website of MuseKIT, and this is the redesign that I created. And I now want to explain a little bit what exactly I did here and what I've been trying to achieve with this new design of the above the fold section of MuseKIT's landing page. I didn't change too much of the content of the page because I think the communication has been very clear on the site, but I tried to highlight the important parts a little bit more. The title represents what MuseKIT is doing. They offer music that fits a video, but what distinguishes them from other platforms where you can get your music are those different components with different moods. But the main theme of the song always stays the same. So I try to communicate this here in the title and in the text block here below. And since I think the main goal should be to build a relationship to people that are interested in MuseKIT, to collect their email addresses, so that MuseKIT will benefit by seeing if there are people interested in this product, in their service, and having the opportunity to reach out to people, letting them know about the process where MuseKIT currently is, and also people that sign up, so that are interested in the service or in the company itself. So, for example, investors, they don't miss out on important company updates. So that's why we have a email form right here in the hero section of the website. And Leonard, the founder of MuseKIT, also did a really great job at explaining his service within a video where he's already using his own product, so to speak. And that's why I decided to place the video in the hero section as well. Yes, and I think one benefit that we have from using the video here in the title section as well is that we got rid of some of the white space. So even though the copy is quite clean and the current website is very simplistic and looks modern, we have a lot of space that's not being used and might look a little bit cold. So by using the video in the hero section, we are making a better use of the space, I'd say. And here in the background, you can see some sort of squared elements with rounded corners, and those are meant to represent the different moods. So I think this is not optimal yet, but I think it can help to visualize the different components of tracks that MuseKIT is offering. All right, so feel free to let me know what you think about the new design. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.